Hey, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, and this is my $300 day review and bonus. Hey, welcome back to the channel, and let me just get rid of this because we don't need it for this video. But if you are under quarantine, then you have probably a lot of time to invest into something, right? So why not create a full-time online business? Now, this is already what I'm doing, but if you are new to making money online, you can focus on stuff that makes you some pretty quick cash, like, selling gigs on Fiverr, or you can focus on creating an actual business that will make you six figures or more per year. So this brand new product called $300Day is exactly about that, creating an online business that will continue to make you money, and essentially you will be making money as an affiliate marketer, but you will be creating assets like an email list. So this is my $300 day review, a brand new product released by Rutecky and Mike from Maine, two seven-figure marketers, and I'm going to show you exactly what this product is all about. So let me share my screen and let's jump into it. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page for the course, let me just mention to you that what you're getting is three things. You're getting video training on how to make $300 a day, and you're getting two pieces of software, and one of these softwares is MyMailIt. Okay, so MyMailIt is a separate piece of software actually being sold right now by Brett and Mike, and it is currently selling for $97, as you can see. Okay, so you will be paying much less for $300 a day, but just keep in mind, just one of these softwares that you're going to be getting included with $300 a day is $97. Okay, and with that being said, let's check out the sales page. This is how it looks like, and it says get the exact $300 per day blueprint and softwares being used today by two seven-figure affiliate marketers. No experience, skills, all lists required, everything you need is included. So this is Brett. You can check out his video right here. And essentially, Brett is a programmer, and he used to just create software, but then he realized, I can create software and sell them at the same time, and that's how he made seven figures after teaming up with Mike. So you can see him traveling around the world. He definitely lives the internet marketing lifestyle, and just take a look at this. His income just from affiliate products, he has almost $1 million right here, 800,000 right here. So you can make a lot of money doing nothing else but promoting other people's products, and this is the kind of money that he's making super consistently. Now again, Mike from Maine, Brett Rutecky, these are the two guys behind this new product, and it's called $300 Day. And this is my $300 day review. Now, I told you you're gonna get two different softwares included. The first one is Bonus Builder. Okay, so this is a piece of software for creating bonus pages. Okay, so you promoting stuff as an affiliate, you need to add bonuses, because every single affiliate out there that is successful adds bonuses to their affiliate marketing promotion, including me. And by the way, you're gonna get almost $3,000 worth of bonuses from me if you'll decide to pick up $300 a day through my link, but more about that in the end of this video. So you're getting a Bonus Builder, that's software number one, and you're also getting MyMailIt, which is for sending emails. Now, MyMailIt is super cool because it allows you to send unlimited emails, and you can have unlimited subscribers without paying for it. Okay, so I have currently 3 different autoresponders. If you're on my list, you're probably getting emails from Aweber, from Active Campaign, and from Infusionsoft. Okay, so these 3 cost me hundreds of dollars per month. Okay, with MyMailIt, you don't have to pay anything monthly. Again, you're getting the $300 day system, so we're gonna talk about that in a second. They're gonna have a little demo right here, and essentially that is it. 14-day money back guarantee, so you can check it out with no risk whatsoever. That's essentially it. And right now, let's check out the inside of the members area. Okay, so as you can see, this is the welcome video. Let's click on my training and see what's inside. So as you can see, so Brett broke it down into weeks. Okay, so we have week 1, 2, week 3, 4, and 5. So essentially, he doesn't want to overwhelm you with all the training. Okay, so obviously you can watch all of this in a day or two and start implementing if you're already familiar with making money online in different systems. But if you're brand new, this is something that he did to not to overwhelm you. Okay, so let's click on week 1, and as you can see, we have what is internet marketing, JVZoo basics, Manchai basics. Then we have week 2, create your Facebook group, set up your Facebook group, week free, custom audience and pixel, giveaway page about your video. So here we are getting into the actual money making. Week 4 we have freebie ad tips for your group, and week 5 we got monetizing your group and monetizing your retargeting list. So that's the training, but obviously you're getting a couple of pieces of software included as well. So let's click on extras. And as you can see, first of all, we have Brett's Facebook group where you can actually ask him questions, and he is very, very good with his group. I know that, people always ask him questions and he's very engaged with it. Then we have the free My Mail It account. So again, you will be able to create a My Mail It account. This is something that you don't have to pay for, not upfront, not monthly, and you can create unlimited lists, send unlimited emails, and have unlimited subscribers. So definitely amazing if you want to do email marketing, and you should, because email marketing is free traffic. Then we have free bonus builder account. Again, this is for building bonus pages for your affiliate marketing promotions. Then we have Facebook link post. That's an extra plugin for you, slide capture plugin, link master plugin, and premium MMO training. So these are all the extras that you're getting. So as you can see, you're getting tons of value. And again, just My Mail It sells for $97 right now. You're getting all of these different pieces of software plus the training, and plus Brett's Facebook group where you can actually ask him questions, and he will definitely stay on top of everything that is going on in his group. Okay, so that's what you're getting. Essentially an amazing deal, and everything you need to have to start making money online starting from scratch is included with this. Okay, right now let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so as you can see, the main product, training plus bonus software, so these all of these softwares that I just showed you will be $27, and this is the early bird price. And keep in mind, Brett and Mike are known for taking down the offer. So let's say it will be $27, then the price will be going up, or they will just take down the offer. So it will be one of the two. So if you want to pick it up, make sure to show up as soon as it goes live and grab it with an early bird discount. Okay, so everything I just showed you is included, training plus all of the software bonuses. Then we have audio number 1 bonus builder upgrade. So in this upgrade, the bonus software lets you use Brett's own personal bonuses. So this will be for present and future in your affiliate marketing, promotion, and list building campaigns. Okay, so essentially done for you campaigns and done for you pages. That's $67 audio number 1. $300 day audio number 2, we have unlimited agency, $97, and this is exclusive agency access system that lets you sell this platform as your own, and you can put your own JVZoo buy now button on his sales page, which means that you also going to be getting the leads, okay, not only the sales. So and that's unlimited agency rights, $97 audio number 2. And the last one, audio number 3, we have super funnel, $97, and this is a perfect upgrade for anyone who wants to make affiliate sales with everything done for you. So with the super funnel, people can build a list and make 100% commissions without needing any pages, products, or even sending emails. So this is a truly done for you business, $97 as well. So free audios, that's it, no downsells. And right now let me just show you exactly what I have in store for you when it comes to my bonuses. Now, I just wanted to share this with you. I actually know Brett and Mike personally. I met Mike a few times, like 4 or 5 times in person. Brett only once or twice, but I know these guys. They're amazing marketers, and they're actual 7-figure marketers. So if you want to learn from anyone, I would definitely recommend both of them. Now, let me show you all of my bonuses. Obviously, I have a full written blog right here, so you can read through it. And what I'm going to give you in terms of bonuses is this. And even before I'm going to mention my bonuses, let me just mention that $300 day goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on March 31st. And if you want to get all of these bonuses for free, all you have to do is pick it up through my link. And to do so, just click on one of these blue links from my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. Now, first of all, I'm going to give you a reseller's license to Bounce Baby. This is Brett's software, and you're getting a reseller's license to it. Then you're gonna get a reseller's license to Instant Video Site. Okay, so a couple of resellers licenses. As you saw, you know, these resellers go for like $100 each. So that's only 2 bonuses. I have Fiverr Income Secrets, Fiverr Masterclass, Riser, Newbie Traffic Formula, Flip Me, Income Booster, resellers to my own product, Flip Me, Urgent Arbitrage Cash, Easy Arbitrage Profits, Blaze, Tube Traffic Avalanche, Case Study, and a bunch of additional softwares and plugins. You're getting Affiliate Advantage plugin, Gen Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueTags, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, Shortcode Call to Action, Authority Traffic Masters, Facebook Live Reaction, AsynPress, PhaseZone, VidBuilder, Press Play, WP Image and Video Commenter, Social Auto Poster, SlickPub, VidBot, Responsive Slider, YouTube Video Gallery, Pinterest Portfolio, PostGrid, Post Widget, and Courses plugin. So that's a total of 39 bonuses, but I'm not done because you're also getting my mega bonus, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus Dollars of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses, which means that this will bring it up to a total of $2,997 worth of bonuses. Again, you're getting all of this for free from me, just as a thank you for picking up $300 day through my link. And all you have to do to pick it up from my link is click on one of these blue links and then obviously buy it. Or again, if you're watching on YouTube, that's the first link in the description, and the second link in the description will take you to my blog. Now again, I have a full funnel breakdown, you know, all the written stuff right here if you like to read through a review, and also a part of watching this review video. And just to sum up this $300 day review, you're getting a $300 per day blueprint, you know, all the video training that I just showed you broken down into weeks. You're getting the bonus page builder software, you're getting the email marketing software, you're getting you know, all the training, so traffic, list building, affiliate promotions, how to pick winning products, and everything else. So I really like it, especially for that price. And what I don't like about $300 day, you will need to dedicate some time to it. Okay, so this is not some easy fast money that you will you know, again, this is not selling Fiverr gigs. It's something that you can just set up, make money today. This is creating an actual business for you. If you're going to be making $300 per day, that's $9,000 to $10,000 per month, so that's 6 figures a year. So you know, I don't know what you're doing currently, if you have a full-time job, or if you're unemployed, or if you're making money online part-time, but you know, you can create a 6-figure per year online business with this. And you know, I've seen it happen, and you know, I myself went from zero you know, then to selling Fiverr gigs, and then creating an actual business online. And I'm not a professional marketer. So this stuff absolutely works, and this is one of the formulas that I definitely recommend. So guys, before you go, let me just show you how to claim that bonus after picking up $300 a day through my link. All you have to do is go to your JVZoo purchase history. So as you can see, you know, you will be able to click on your products right here. So click on view details, and then below the button that says access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from March. That's how you claim it. You don't have to send me any emails or receipts. It is all done for you automatically. And again, going back here to the My Mail It sales page, My Mail It on its own is $97. And obviously, if you want to build an email list, you need an autoresponder. You know, Aweber costs hundreds of dollars per month. ActiveCampaign, Infusionsoft, any other autoresponder will cost you at least $100 per month. This is something that you're getting included. So you're not paying 97, you're paying 27 for the training, for 2 softwares, and for all the bonuses, including my bonus worth almost $3,000. So pick it up from my link. Again, it goes live on the 31st of March at 9 AM Eastern. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section under this YouTube video. Please like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one, and most importantly, stay safe, stay away from people, you know, social distancing and all that. And while you are at home doing maybe nothing, start making money online, because this is the perfect time for it. So, Art signing out, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!